children. Today we already explained about the cuboid. I already explained about the cubes and cuboid and cylinders and cones. Today I am explaining about the spheres. Okay, we are learning about spheres today. A sphere, what is sphere? Sphere is a three-dimensional figure or surface which is made up of all points. This is made up of all అన్ని points తో తయారవుతుందన్నమాట. Example మనకి watermelon. Watermelon in the shape of sphere. Football is in the shape of sphere. Okay. Our earth is in the shape of space. Our earth is also an example for a sphere. So a sphere is a three-dimensional figure which is made up of all points in the space. అన్ని space లో అన్ని points మనం join చేస్తే ఇది which is a constant distance from fixed point. The fixed point అన్ని దగ్గర నుంచి కూడా ఇక్కడి నుంచి ఎంత దూరం, ఇక్కడి నుంచి ఎంత దూరం, ఇక్కడి నుంచి ఎంత దూరం, ఈ ఫిక్స్డ్ పాయింట్ అన్ని డిస్టెన్స్ నుంచి కూడా అక్కడి నుంచి అన్ని పాయింట్స్ దగ్గర నుంచి కూడా సేమ్ డిస్టెన్స్ ఉంటుంది. దిస్ ఫిక్స్డ్ పాయింట్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ as the radius of the sphere. ఈ ఫిక్స్డ్ పాయింట్ అంటే దిస్ కాల్డ్ as center. This is the center of the sphere. So the distance between center to the surface of the sphere is called as radius. So we have to learn about two formulas for the sphere. What is surface area of the sphere is 4 pi r square and volume of the sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube. Okay. I also learn about the hemisphere. Hemisphere means half of the sphere. So surface area of a hemisphere is 2 pi r square and total surface area of a sphere is 3 pi r square. That means the surface area of a half sphere is 2 pi r square and this top is a circle. So here it is area of circle is pi r square. So pi r square plus 2 pi r square. This total this is called a total surface area of a hemisphere. We get 3 pi r square here. Okay, next volume of a hemisphere is 2 by 3 pi r cube. So half of the sphere anamata. Half that's the volume of a sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube. We have to half it. Then volume of a hemisphere is 2 by 3 pi r cube. I have given one example sum for you. Here the radius of a sphere is 3.5 centimeters. Find the surface area and volume of a sphere. Here r is equal to radius is equal to 3.5. Remove point here. I have to write it as 35 by 10. I have to cancel 5 table. 5 2s are 10. 5 7s are 35. Then you get 7 by 2 centimeters as radius. I have to put it in the formula of surface area of a sphere 4 pi r square. 4 into pi is 22 by 7 into r value is 7 by 2. Have to write r square means 7 by 2 into 7 by 2. Here 7 and 7 are cancelled. 2 is cancelled in 4 as 2 times and this 2 also cancelled as 1 2 1 2. So what is the remaining in the numerator? 22 and 7. Now have to multiply 22 into 7, you get 154 centimeters square. That is the surface area of a sphere. Next, volume of a sphere. What is the formula for volume of a sphere? 4 by 3 pi r cube. So here write it as 4 by 3 into the value of pi is 22 by 7 and the value of r is 7 by 2. How r cube means you have to write it 3 times 7 by 3 into 7 by 2 into 7 by 2. So here 7 and 7 are cancelled. 2 cancelled in 4 2 times and this 2 and this 2 are also cancelled and we have another 2. So 2 is cancelled in 22 as 11 times. So the remaining in numerator and denominator is remaining in numerator is 11 into 7 into 7 and remaining in denominator is 3. So 11 into 7 7 is 49. 11 into 49 is 539 by 3. You have to divide 539 with 3. 3 1 is 3. 5 minus 3 is 2. Then you have to write 3 here. 3 7 is 21. 3 minus 1 is 2. Then you have to put 9 here. 3 9 is 27. 9 minus 7 is 2. Then you have to put a point and write a 0 here. 3 6 is 18. Then also remainder 2. You have to write 0 here. 3 6 is 18. And also remainder 2 here. So we have to put a 0 here. 3 6 is 18. That we got a 179.666. Have to write it as 2 places. I have to remove this 6 and add 1 to this 6. So 179.67 centimeter cube. I have given a worksheet for you for we have to do this 2 sums. Okay. First one is if radius of the sphere is 14 centimeters, find the surface area and volume of the sphere. And second one is the diameter of a sphere is 21. I have given in seconds some diameter. So I have to divide by 2, then you get the radius. Okay, the diameter of a sphere is 21 centimeters. Find the surface area and volume of a sphere. Then say you have to write it here. I given the diameter, so I have to find the radius. R is equal to d by 2. That is equal to 21 by 2. Okay.